Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make TikToks like these, I believe. Oh, no, not that. This. And without even installing Gacha on your tablet or iPhone or whatever. Because I don't have room to download Gacha. So I've been doing this. So first you have to, okay, please don't show my face, please don't show my face. Yeah, we need to turn it. That's my room, by the way. Okay, yeah. So this is my other device, and if you don't have another device, then you can't do this, okay? So you need to turn it on. I'm not going to show my password because I'd rather not. I'd rather not show the internet my stupid password that I've had for like 12 days. So what you want to do is just get this random background. Let me get my character in the... Oh yeah. So this is my character. You know, actually I changed it. If you don't know, watch my YouTube videos and you only watch my TikToks. Okay. Anyways, so I can go like, and then let's add a sound. So you can see how I already do this. So you have to like, it's really good. So I think this is Oh God. What do you want from me? Right, so let's do this. And then you can change your face, like, you could make it like that. And you can... Why don't you run from me? Or you can change your face again. Like, you can do this, like, you can... What are you wondering? What do you... So let's just see the TikTok already and see how it is. So if you go... Why don't you run from me? What are you wondering? What do you want from me? Why don't you run from me? What are you wondering? What do you want? So that's a good TikTok actually. So we could add some effects like normal stuff to the TikTok. So guys, if this really helped, then you should guys go subscribe. I know my voice is really cringy, please. It's early in the morning. It's like 8 o'clock. Wait, why can't I add the effects? Okay. So this is gonna be our TikTok of how to build. So we're gonna name it just something random because yeah, that's what we're gonna name it, guys. Okay, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it really helped you. But if you don't have a second device, I'm so sorry you can't do this. I'll find out another way soon. Goodbye.